it will grow on its own at its own pace. But sister, listen, why is it taking my hair so long to grow? Why? I mean, even let's say you're growing half an inch every month, that should be the goal, right? Like, let's just say. Okay, hi everyone, so you're welcome to Victoria Fab's channel. Today I will be ranting. Really, this is all about my natural hair and how it has not grown for 8 years, I think, that I've been growing. So it's been hard. It's been a long journey for me. Listen, I don't know how you guys are doing it, but for me, it hasn't worked that way. Obviously for 8 years I have been carrying this hair around like this, no improvement, nothing. But well, I've seen some changes, but it's like teeny tiny. I am just frustrated at this point, you know, because before I just feel like, oh, okay, like it will grow. It doesn't bother me. Like I used to say, oh, it doesn't bother me, it will grow on its own at its own pace. But sister, listen, why is it taking my hair so long to grow? Why? I mean, even let's say you're growing half an inch every month, that should be the goal, right? Like, let's just say half an inch every month. It should have grown more than this. I'm not even up to bra strap length yet, people. So I'm going to put this out so I can. If you check in my previous channel, can you see that this was the same length it was the last time? That was like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, people. 2 years ago, it was that length. It was even thicker. It was healthier than this 2 years ago. But I guess it was because it's due to me not paying so much attention to my hair, because there's been a lot of, as I said in my previous video, the Q&A, there's been a lot of changes. There's been a lot of trying to get to know myself. You know, I wasn't paying attention to my natural hair anyways, so that is why I think this has happened. But now that I've started another channel, that I want to be uploading more about natural hair, even though I do have a company where I sell human hair and everything like that, which is a good thing because I like human hair. I like to look sassy, I like to look a little bit more silk sometimes, so that's fine. And it's also good for your protective styles, which I've been doing now. So these are the things I have just jotted down, different things that I've decided to start doing, so I can see some significant changes or results in my natural hair journey. You know, guys, I need to take this seriously now, because I saw people that we started this journey together and they're like, their hair is like all of there already. So I am going to start taking, anyways, I have written down all of these things that I'm going to start doing to grow my hair. Okay, because before I do all of these things before, really, trust me, I was so into my natural hair before, and it did grow. It was healthy, I could see it was really healthy and everything like that. But I think I'm talking too fast. Please let me know if I'm talking too fast, but I can't speak too slow because it's ranting, and I'm just here to complain. I'm here to be mad at someone. I'm here to be mad at someone. I'm here to be mad at myself for thinking this hair is going to have would have grown to the, you know, that length that I think it should have, but it did not. Anyways, so I have put down a few things that I want to start doing, because I had no routine before. For the past 2 to 3 years I had no routine, but before I used to, you know, I had my deep conditioning, I had my hot oil treatment, I had, you know, all those things that actually helped my hair grow. So now that I've started doing little things, because due to this quarantine issue, this social distancing thing that we're all in, so I kind of like have more time to focus on other aspects of my life, including my natural hair. So I have been doing the spray thing that I put in the first video, you know, the spray thing, and then the edges of my hair, I had the oils to it, just because I have the time to do it. Like when do I have that time before? Like, I'm always out very early in the morning, I come back, I'm tired, I just want my hair kept inside and lost somewhere, because I don't even want to touch it, because by the time I touch it, that means it's open, that means I have to take care of it, I have to moisturize it. I ain't got time for that, you know. So I decided to say, okay, I'm going to start creating time for my, as long as I can. But these are the things that I want to start doing, like just to put it in my regimen, or my natural regimen. So I wrote them down on this list, which, because of this thing that I've been doing, little things that I've been doing during this quarantine period, I have seen some healthy changes to my hair. Trust me, I have seen it, and it's just been like let's say 4 weeks that I've been doing it constantly. So that is amazing. First thing that I've noticed is that there has to be a regimen. Your hair needs to be expecting some certain treatment at some certain days, or sometimes certain weeks or month. You know, it's just like you're always expecting, your belly is always expecting a breakfast, your belly is always expecting a lunch, your belly is always expecting a dinner. And if it doesn't get it at that time, it's either you lose your strength, you're weak, or your mood changes, or there's a fight in your belly. So that's what I kind of think your hair also need, food, and at a particular time. So that's why we need regimen for our hair, and due to all videos I've been watching on YouTube and other stuff like that. So okay, I am ranting. Alright guys, so the first thing that as I've said is regimen. I am going to be including regimen. I will have regimen in my regimen, like one of the things that I need to start doing to grow this hair. I mean, like, I'm not constant, you know, so that's one thing I will be doing to start a regimen. Also, I will need to start moisturizing my hair, because before, what I do is that I never bring out my hair. My hair is always on cornrow or twist for like months, because I just put on a wig or something all the time. So I don't even want to touch it. Sometimes it's really dry, and sometimes when I remember, which is probably every 2 weeks or once in a month, I just spray water on it, and that's all. I mean, why would listen, why would my hair grow when that's all I do? What sort of miracle am I expecting? So anyways, so the first thing I've decided to start doing and put in my regimen, the second one, apart from creating a regimen, the second one is to moisturize my hair. So because I want to also limit my make good use of my time, that spray that I have in the first video will be a way of me moisturizing my hair. So because I noticed that my hair does not like any thick consistency, so that's why I will be mixing it up with some, any moisturizer, hair moisturizer, up with oils and some water, just to make the consistency of the content more liquidy, or more liquid, you know, so I can just spray it on my hair. And that is, to me, I moisturize my hair. So the second thing I will put into my regimen from now on is to do more hot oil treatments. I also have the container, the bottle, where I can just warm up the bottle, you know, and just put in my hair and then massage. Massaging my head, my scalp, is one good thing that I see has worked for me. I will be including that also into my regimen, but that will be when I'm doing my hot oil treatment or in the mornings. That's not something I want to force myself to do, but when I remember, or maybe I'm putting the moisturizer spray in the morning, I massage my hair. But every time I put my hot oil treatment on, which will probably be once a week or twice a week, depending on how much time I want or how much time I have. So I think I will be doing that and just moisturize my scalp, which is good. Another thing I will be adding to my regimen to grow this hair. So to grow this hair, my sister, is that I will be doing deep conditioner. I can't even remember when last I did the deep conditioner. I hope this thing is on focus anyways. But really, I can't remember the last time I did the deep condition to my hair. You know, I can't remember. It's been ages, like 2 years ago. And I remember this really helped my hair grow the first period when I started transitioning and when I started this journey. So really, it needs deep condition treatment, you know. So I need to, you know how you put the, I think it's co-wash or something, but I just need to make sure that my hair goes through that process, because I remember my hair loves it. So this is another thing I will be including, deep conditioning my hair at least once a month, you know, at least once a month, just to get myself to get used to the process again. At least once a month, just moisturize your hair, put it in a heat, put it through this like the towel thing and the shower cap thing, you know. Sorry. Also, I will be including protein treatment, that is with eggs, shea butter and mayonnaise. So that will also be once in a month, or maybe once every 2 months. For the protein treatment, so for the protein treatment, I will be doing that probably once a month or once every 2 months, because if I have a deep condition already, then I don't want to overdo it at this time, but also be comfortable doing it, and also to encourage me to keep doing it. And I will also, I just learned about the rice water treatment or spray, so I will be including the rice water treatment. I just want to try it for like at least 3 months and see what changes that and see what that will do to my hair. Really, I'm going to add the rice water treatment to my regimen because I've seen some people's testimony and then things like that, but if it works for me, I will be happy. If it doesn't, I'm just going to take it out of my my regimen. Yeah, so that is it. I will be adding the rice water treatment, but I will come on camera. I will show you guys how I want to do my rice water thing, and probably show you the result, or after a month, probably come every once in a month and just show you the results so far. And also, I've decided to wash my hair more often now. It's been long. Before I don't even wash my hair that often, you know. Sometimes it's like once every 3 months. I know once every 3 months, that's when I wash my hair. But now I have decided, because I want this hair to grow and flourish and be free, I'll be washing my hair at least once a month now. Really, I know. So I am trying to be a good girl, okay? So I will try washing my hair now for once every month. Well, I have it here at least twice a month, but let's just not be too optimistic. Let's say once a month I will wash my hair, because before I probably wait for 3 months and then wash it once. Also, I have also decided to start taking care of my edges, because I was speaking to my sister one day on camera, on video call, and then I was like looking at myself like, where did my edges go to? You know, I was staring at myself. I was actually, I don't know, but it just felt like I had no edges or anything like that. But ever since then, I've been using my oil treatment that I showed you in my first video, and I've been applying it on my edges in the morning and in the night, and I have seen significant change within 3 weeks. So that's why I know I need to pay attention to my edges. I need to moisturize my edges. I need to oil my edges with good oils. So that is another thing I must be adding to my regimen. So so I have decided to also start doing more protective styles, and just stick to it, because I do protective style, because I make wigs, I sell hair, I sell bundles and things like that. So because I use it to also market my business and also things like that. So of course, protective styles will be one of the things that I will be doing. I will be adding to my resume, so watch out for that. I'm actually going to be doing a video where I show you how I achieve one of my protective style, so that will be coming up soon. I will also be including this other thing in my hair. I said let my real hair breathe, so I decided to let my hair out sometimes, more often than before, because I always have it in this cornrow or twist all the time and cover it with wig. So now at least probably, because I need to change my cornrow often, so if I'm going to do I'm going to do the cornrow once in a week, just for a week. The next week, for 3 days within the next week, I'm going to leave my hair to just let it grow, let it breathe, style it a different way, go to work, and that's it. Then after the first 3 days, I can then take it back to the cornrow or the twist that I have, put my wig back on for another 1 or 2 weeks, and do that again. Just let my hair breathe sometimes. That is another thing that I think I should be adding, which I will be adding to my resume from now on. Also, I have decided to track my growth because I know my hair was growing at some certain stage, but that was because I was tracking it. That was because I knew the level I was before, and now I know, just tracking the growth of my hair, so I don't feel like this again. Because even though I did track it now, I see that it's still the same length for the past 2 years. So I will start tracking my hair growth since I've decided to start a regimen and have all of these things done to my natural hair. So I'm also going to start tracking my hair, and also I will be very careful of the products that I use, because now I actually know the type of products that my hair likes and the ones that it doesn't. I will be coming here when I have all my products together. I'm not going to be a product junkie. I don't want that. I have been that before a few years back. Now I don't want it. I just need a few moisturizer, oils, what else do I need? Deep conditioner, hair mask, what else? Water. So I just know what I need now. I'm not going to have all these brands together, all this products, no, I just need a few products and that's it. I am going to stick to those products because that's what I know works for me. So after buying all of these products, have it there. I know what they do. I know what I'm using it for. I know when I'm using each of them. And that's just it. All I have to do is just buy new ones when the other one is finished or when it's about to finish. So I just replace them. That's all I'm doing, and I'm going to stick to those products. Nothing more, at least for the next 2 years. I am not changing brand. So that is just, I'm sorry, I'm just that old now. You get to that stage where you're so old that you don't even want to try out anything, and that's the stage I'm at now with my natural hair. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed me ranting and at least me telling you what I want to do to change my natural hair game journey. Anyways, so that is just it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Please, it is free. You just need to click the red button just there. That's all you need to do. I mean, that is all you need to do. It's that simple. I have talked for like 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes actually. So all you need to do is please, it will help me, just support me and click on the red button, and also click on the notification button so you can get a notification every time that I upload, which is every Tuesdays and Saturdays. I upload every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And also put a comment down below, let me know what you think about this video, and if you have any other further video suggestions, I am welcome to that. And also like this video, share it if you want to. I will appreciate that too. Thank you so much. I hope this has helped someone. So have a good day.